Hey, I'm here heading to the grocery store. I got a fast-way ticket to the grocery store, full speed, to get there and back, and then I can hopefully have my adventures after that. I need to get more money out and then get some food, and then do my trips that I have planned. Hopefully, I don't know if it's going to work out because things have been a little bit iffy here, so they haven't been working out according to plan. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, and then hopefully I'll be going to a national park after. So bye. Oh my god. You will not believe the day I've been having. So I'm obviously in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. And it's hard to get a taxi to come here. So I asked you can't get a taxi here, but instead I asked the guy that's here. And so he drove me. He was going 140 kilometers to get there. So I was supposed to get there in half an hour. Instead I got there in like 15 minutes. So I got there. I needed to get money from the ATM because I didn't have any money anymore. I needed to pay him, and I needed to have money for the rest of my trip. So I went to the store, and I need to get groceries, like I said before. I went to go get groceries, and once I got there, I went to the ATM. The ATM wasn't working, so I started freaking out. I went to go buy my groceries to see if my card was working. So thank God it was working. And thank God that when I went to the bank, I was able to take out money. So everything is okay now, but I'm still going to try to make it to one place today. But yeah. So I'm going to eat before I go on a hike. I'm going to eat, and then I'm going to book. They have Grab here, so I'm going to book a Grab. That's the only thing that I can find here right now to get me there, and spend about 2 hours there, and then come back here. And after probably the last day I'm here, I'm going to actually go on the boat ride that's down there and go inside the water. Hopefully they said there's no crocodiles or anything, so I hope there isn't anything that can bite you like snakes or anything like that. So yeah, that's how my day is going. I have anxiety, and I'm even anxious to go to this national park by myself because of all this shit that's just happened today. And by the way, it's pretty expensive to get around here. Because you know that they're overcharging you. You know that like 100 baht is like so much money to them. So when they overcharge, they obviously know that Canadians have a larger currency. It's actually not that cheap. Everything adds up really quickly, so it's not a cheap trip. I thought it was going to be way cheaper than it ended up being. Because I was expecting to get things for a lot cheaper, like taxis. Especially on the internet, it shows you one price, and then the taxi will charge you another price. So yeah, that's my and the vibes here, like, they're not friendly here. Well, I guess they're not used to tourists, so they're not that friendly. I think they think we're weird. But oh well, we're giving them business, right? So I don't feel too comfortable here, to be really honest with you. In Thailand, I just don't feel that comfortable here. But yeah, I guess that's how tourists feel when they go places. But yeah, other than that, I'm enjoying this beautiful nature. yeah, it's all right. It's nice. The nature's nice. It's just that you don't feel, you know, as a foreigner, you don't feel at home, right? But it is really beautiful, very gorgeous. And instead of having so much anxiety, I'm gonna relax and take it easy because I've been stressed out this trip here. So I'm gonna probably slow down and actually enjoy it instead of freaking out. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat my passion fruit. I love passion fruit. And then I'm gonna catch the Grab to get there. So talk to you when I get there. Well, things are not going as planned. No taxis really come here. So, and I had to go get the situation where I had to get money, which took up quite a bit of my day. They close here at 4. Everything closes here at 4. So, I'm just gonna relax. And tomorrow I'm gonna try to go to at least one of the national parks. And, I'll have the whole day tomorrow, so maybe I can do 2 in one day. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy myself in this beautiful scenery here. This beautiful scenery I have here. I think I'm like one of the only people here because it's a long weekend, but I don't see anybody else here, so I think people only spend a very little time here, which I'm happy about because at least the elephants can relax and do what they want without any humans coming to bug them. But they don't go anywhere, they just stay in one spot. I'm sure they're trained to do that, to not walk around and be free. So yeah, just gonna enjoy the water. Just gonna enjoy the water. Do, 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 do. Yeah, and be at peace here from all the hustle and bustles. Okay, I accepted the fact that I'm not going anywhere today, and hopefully I'll be going somewhere tomorrow. But I'm gonna explore their property here. And yeah, see if I can find some trails at least, so I can fuck around in the trails. It's a beautiful day, and I'm gonna choose not to be fucking pissed off that things are not working out. Not gonna cry. Didn't feel like crying at all, which is a surprise. If I would start crying if money wasn't gonna come out of my account, my credit cards, that's when I would cry. Stranded here would be freaky as hell. Freaky experience. I think there are trails here. Yay, my element. Okay, you just gotta enjoy what you have. Look at all this. I'm pissed off that I can't go somewhere when I have all this around me. Like, come on. I'm gonna go into the water. I'm gonna go into the sprinkler. That feels good. Okay, let's go exploring, trekking. Hopefully there's no snakes around that are gonna kill me. Don't ask, I don't know what kind of fucking accent that is. Yeah, let's go exploring. Okay, let's get my vibration up because my vibration has been low as F. Low as F. So let's bring up my vibration back. Let's bring myself back to equilibrium. And let's explore some of this jungle. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps the night. It's actually the elephant. The elephant sleeps tonight here. Okay. One fruit dangling from a tree. I don't know if this is just gonna lead me to the water. Is there anywhere else I can go traveling? I already saw this. I'm gonna get a bike and just fuck around my bike and explore the whole place. I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven because I need some paper towel, and that's about all I need from the store. I did forget a couple things I wanted, like salt. Maybe I can get that at 7-Eleven. Let's ask if I can go borrow the bike. Okay. I'm following them to go. Okay. Look, I'm following them to go on my trip. They're gonna show me where the cave is, where the Kasae cave is. She's waving. So at least I get to do that today. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna follow them and they're gonna take me to KasaeCave. There's some cool things to explore there. Yeah.
Turn left.
Yeah. Straight. And I drive here on this side. Drive this way or over here? Here. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Okay, I'm on my way to the beautiful KasaeCave on my bike. At least I got to do something. I was gonna be bored. You can tell I'm a city girl and I need to be stimulated. Not extremely stimulated, but oh my god, there's a dead snake. I don't want to show you right now. But it gets dark at 6, just like in Canada. I guess it's only in Australia. It's probably, yeah, the other side of the equator is where it's sunny till late nowadays. So hopefully I don't get murdered on the street. It's not busy, but hopefully it doesn't take me 51 minutes. Sawadika. Yeah. Okay, now people, since my mood's changed, now people are, you smile, people smile back, right? You're in a negative zone, you attract more of that. Gotta learn my lessons. Hi, doggy. Sawadee ka. I think this is part of Death Valley Cave. Oh, sorry, Death Valley, the railway, the Death Valley Railway. And apparently there's some caves here, so I'm gonna explore. Hopefully my bike is fine there. I'll show you the railway. Here is the railway. The railway, the beautiful railway. Oh, here's the cave. This is the cave. The beautiful cave. Wow. You got a Buddhist statue here. Tomorrow they have a celebration. I think it's the celebration of lights. There's that. Beautiful, right? Wow. How nice. Oh my god, I love colors, guys. This is magical to me. All those colors make my soul happy. My soul is happy when I see all those colors. Let's see where this goes. Wow. Guys, there's bats in here. And I almost got attacked by a bat today. So I'm not trying to get attacked by the bats inside these caves. Not a chance. But if I can see one hanging from the cave, I'll show you. But here. Here. Da na 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 na. My ball fell from my piercing. Wow. Oh. Ooh, it's hot in here. It's hot in here. Show you the railway. It's really scary. I don't know if I'd go on that railway and like fall down a cliff. Let's see. Wow. I probably have to be relaxing right over there on the grass to really enjoy it. Just relax there and look at it for a while. I think that's how I would enjoy it the most. I got some, I think it's sugar cane. Kind of tastes like coconut water. I can't tell, sugar cane or coconut water. but it tastes really good. It's really refreshing after that bike ride. Very big. Look how big that is. Well, I wasn't expecting the train to come, and I got a nice video out of it. So now I'm going off to my little room in the beautiful jungle. Oh, it's a baby doggy. It's a baby doggy. Oh, so sweet. Looking for food. Okay, I am going to riding my bike, going to my destination where I'm sleeping. That was very refreshing. That coconut water, cane, I don't know. I don't know what it was. No, I don't know. I only know sawadika, which means hello, and kokunka, which means thank you. Those are the only 2 words I know. I should expand. I have a couple of words that I wrote down. But I don't want to use them because I feel like, I don't know, I don't feel like there's a point. They pretty well speak English for the most part. Guys, the quote is true. Smiling is the shortest distance between people. It really is. I really agree with that quote. If you smile, usually someone's gonna smile. Oh yeah, that song. Smile, don't you know God loves you? Don't you know that? Wait, come to think of it, I love you too. Take the time to smile at someone, and before you're through, someone will be smiling back at you. And the kids are singing on the other side of me here. Yeah. If you're like miserable, which I usually am, gonna be honest, I'm usually like ready to pounce or ready to like, I'm usually the type of person that, I'm very reactive. If I see someone's being rude, I want to react to it. And that's a lesson I keep having to learn, is to not let people's
turn right.
reactions and their moods affect me and let me absorb it. So
turn left.
It's kind of like when you've been hurt, you just have that reaction. You don't want to get hurt, and you don't want people to hurt you, so you automatically have a wall up. So I'm trying. I've been working on it. You know, I'm not saying I've been working on it well, but it's a process, right? Sometimes are better than others if you're in that conscious state. That's why raising your vibration is important and to always be conscious in your environment every day. Be conscious, like if you go outside living unconsciously, then I don't know. I think we ruin our days if we don't live in the present moment, because we're somewhere else. We're somewhere else that's not in the present, beautiful, positive moment, and we can't enjoy what's around me. Look what's around me. And I was miserable and worried and anxious. I ruined my whole time by doing that. I could have enjoyed my whole time here, but I was worried. I'm worried about money. I'm worried about people are trying to fuck with me. I'm worried about, you know, all this stuff that I was worried about. Food. Look, I'm not enjoying what's right in front of me, literally. So that's the message for everyone. Make sure you're enjoying your beautiful everyday moments, even if it's the same routine over and over again. Find something that's beautiful, magical about the day, and try to keep in positive vibrations, because you'll be missing out on a lot of things, and you'll look back on that time and probably miss that time in your life. So yeah, enjoy your time. All it took me was deciding to ask them to use their bike to go exploring, and wow. And look where I ended up. I ended up exploring, and I was met with a bunch of smiles of the town people and this beautiful scenery here. This beautiful scenery. So I hope that message resonates with you and can help you get out of your head and into the present moment. Yes. Something that I did today that usually I don't do. Usually I freak out and cry, like in the past, how I told you I cried on my trips. Something I did now with the practice, with the things I've learned, is to tell myself that everything's working out for me, that I don't have to worry, that I'm protected and I'm being guided, so everything's gonna work out fine. And they did work out fine. I went to the bank and the ATMs weren't working, and I went to the bank and because I was about to not even go do groceries. I was so worried about the money. I was about to not even do groceries, and I would have been really hungry if I didn't do groceries. So I said, okay, I'm gonna calm down, get my vegetables, what I needed, and then go to the bank. And I put a little bit of extra money for international calling on my phone, just in case I needed to call my bank. That was all in that little mall that I had. And as much as possible, I told myself I'm being guided right now, I'm being protected, and I don't need to feel scared. So, and everything worked out, like I said. So that's another message for you if that resonates with you. Yeah. Okay, to 7-Eleven to buy my paper towel. Hopefully they have it here. Paper towel. Where's the paper towel? They don't have any. They have like this kind of stuff, but no rolls. Let's see. 7-Eleven in here. What else do I need? They have salt. I don't think they're gonna have salt here though. I guess it's true. People can't help but stare if you look different. I guess it's nature. What flavored chips do I want? Can't help but get this. Tastes so good. Tastes delicious. Delicious. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, off I go to relax now. Okay, again on the road, on the road, on the road. I've been craving a salad ever since I got here, and finally I can eat a salad. I got these little bags of salad. If you get the big green leaf lettuce, it costs a lot of money because it's, I think it's because it's imported. Not quite sure, but it's 300 baht for a whole head of lettuce. And these were only like 50, I want to say 50, 60, something like that. I got my tomatoes. I got my olive oil. This is all the stuff I bought in Bangkok, except for the lettuce, because I didn't know that you had to code everything before you bring it to the front. Because in Canada, they have the number and the words, the number and the name of it, and you just scroll and they find it for you. So they have a different system. I got the olive oil, and I got the shallots, and where's my lemon? I want my lemon. My lemon is here. This is my lemon. So I'm so excited to eat this salad. You have no idea. I've been craving a salad really bad. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be eating. Yay!